All right, Shemaiah, a good game for you guys today. Maybe didn't necessarily come out of third gear. What's your assessment of the team today?
Um, well, in the first half, we didn't perform as well as we know we can. They got a lot of chances due to mistakes of us, but in the second half, we turned up the tempo and it was evident on the pitch.
Going in leading 1-0 at halftime. Clearly, it's a game of two half. You guys didn't necessarily break them down in the first half. What was the coach's instruction at halftime?
Um, well, he told us to just continue to do what we do in training. Be persevere. Try to um, pass, then break, pass, break. And we tried and it was a little bit iffy. But in the end, we broke them down again and again.
What's your assessment of your performance today?
I played decent. I know my teammates and I know that I can do much better. I didn't play bad, but I think and I know that the team expects much better from me. So yeah, next game will be better.
All right, big up, yeah?
Thank you.